There's a few things that are gonna be interior. Most of the things that you're gonna wanna prep for are interior applications. What I mean by that is, when you're installing a roof, there's gonna be vibrations, there's gonna be nails constantly getting nailed in, there's gonna be people walking on the roof. Making sure that if you have things that are hanging on the walls, that they are being removed if you think they may fall. Personalized items, family keepsakes, make sure you remove those away from the walls. It's only gonna last a day or two. So making sure that you don't lose that in the moment. We just really don't wanna make sure that you're losing personal property. So ensuring walls are cleared, making sure that if you have things on the outside, pools, making sure if you have a pool cover, try to cover those. A roof, typically in asphalt, will have thousands of nails on it. The chances we catch every single nail holding off our roof is pretty slim. So making sure if you have a way to cover pools, hot tubs, things like that, you cover them. Typically shingles will get tossed around a roof, so it's not gonna be a clean, organized, each shingle goes into a trash bin. It's gonna come off the roof some way, somehow. Typically scraping is involved when they're trying to pull off shingles, especially if there's multiple layers. So you can't expect that the shingles are gonna lay perfectly where they fall. Making sure flower beds, we will do our best to try to cover those. But if you have flower beds that you're pretty delicate with, making sure you try to cover those with a tarp. It avoids the nails, it avoids some shingle asphalts falling onto those. Timeframes will always kind of adjust when you're looking for that preparedness, because it's all based on weather, right? We don't want to install a roof when it's raining or if it's gonna rain. So ensuring that if we're gonna remove product from the home, there's gotta be a time frame where if weather is involved, it's gonna delay things. So understand that there will be a time frame to prepare for and to kind of set yourself up to, but know that there might be something that adjusts based on weather, right? Because you gotta be weathered in if we're gonna put a roof on. Other things are nails. Nails are one of the biggest, dangers when we're removing a roof, because in 5 years after we're done, you can still find nails. So if you typically mow your yard, let us know. So that way we can ensure we do as best sweeping as we possibly can to prevent nails from popping in tires and things like that. Typically there's gonna be a dumpster that's gonna be parked in the driveway, so ensure that if you park your car in the garage every day, for those 2 days, you probably won't be able to get to your garage. Ensure that if you're gonna back down your driveway, check to make sure there isn't nails there, because you get a flat tire, that's pretty inconvenient when you just bought a whole entire roof system. So just making sure that you're aware that there is gonna be debris. It's gonna fall anywhere and everywhere, and we'll do the best to clean it up. But you just make sure that there's things that we will try to prevent falling onto other things. Typically, I'll let people know that, gutters are gonna collect a lot of that debris. So we will try to do clean outs on your gutter systems to make sure we pull out all those nails and so forth, because that is a really good catch-all when it comes to removing a roof. So there's a lot of things here in Columbia that are definitely code or regulation when we're removing roofs. Mainly it's for the install process. We go through that entire step before we even get to the roof install. So we will walk through each of those items before that roof install to make sure we know that, one, it's happening, and two, can we see what's going on in the roof to get those. When you get into the surrounding areas that don't necessarily have those rules or regulations, the rule of thumb is just go by the strictest. So Columbia has one of the strictest regulations out there for roof installs. So just making sure that we just bring that to the other areas. We know that you're getting a quality roof either way. And we know the regulations, if they do get stricter, your roof will still qualify.